Presenting a pre-owned 2015 Chevrolet Camaro. This two-door coupe has an 8-cylinder, 6.2-liter V8 engine, with rear-wheel drive, and an automatic transmission. This Chevrolet has less than 53,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 15 miles per gallon in the city, and 24 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Key features include air filtration, front air conditioning, airbags, auxiliary audio input, satellite radio, speed-sensitive volume control, anti-lock brakes, power brakes, cruise control, power steering, power windows, universal remote, battery saver, external temperature display, child seat anchors, parking sensors, power door locks, stability control, traction control, wireless data link, spare tire kit, and window defogger.